So here's the next question. What inspires you to do the work you do? And who is one person you look up to now, if it's possible to narrow it down to one, in your field, and why?
So how I kind of ended up as a rigger, like a character TD, is I've always been like fascinated by like technical stuff, and I love problem solving. Like if there's something that's broken, I'd like to figure out how things work, and that's a great skill to have as a rigger, because what you really need for like to be like a rigger is also to do like that problem solving bit. So I think like when I kind of started out, like a lot of the people that I was looking up to were a lot of the more kind of celebrities in, you know, your Dennis Muren, your John Knoll, you know, like all these people that you see in documentaries. But like the more that you kind of get into it, I'm really fascinated by artists that can really blend technical and creative, like proper art meeting technical, because that's sort of where rigging is in. But I'm stuck in the middle of like being a rigger where I'm like, I'm not the best programmer, I'm not the best artist, but right in between there's a role for me, and that's basically where I try to live. And for like right now where I'm at, there's a couple of people that kind of fill that role, and like Scott Eaton is definitely like somebody that I feel like really encompasses that role quite a bit. I've got a couple of photos, I think.
Yeah, go ahead, sure.
If I can just share my screen.
Go for it.
Actually, share. Do you see a Google search?
Yes,
so Scott Eaton is basically, he's very famous. Like he used to work in the movie industry. I believe he's a classically trained sculptor as well, but he's got some really great anatomy courses online as well. So he's a very well-respected figure. He also runs a website called Bodies in Motion, where you basically have photos of people doing various actions, and it's a great reference. Now, the really cool thing that he did was take all of these photos that he had and push them into like a machine learning network. Which basically gives you like this amazing like art here, which what he feeds into this is like all of these are from kind of like actual photographies trained into a machine learning network. And what he's done is he's basically like drawn the outline of these and then let the machine learning network fill in the blanks. And I just find it like absolutely fascinating, and it's one of the best uses of like machine learning technology that I think I've seen so far.
Wow.
Because it's not one of these like you put something in and something comes out of the end, but you can see that it's like, oh, that's impressive from a couple of lines, but like this is full on art. And I saw it like in person when he presented it in London, and it's absolutely stunning work. So yeah, he's got like a bunch of these where it's like just these kind of like blocky shapes that, you know, it's like it's not human really, but because of the kind of imagery and like his really solid understanding of anatomy and just kind of shapes, it's absolutely fantastic. And I love this one. Like it's super like Giger-esque, like alien. It's super, yeah. I almost lack words to describe it. I'm such a fan of it. Yeah, I might be wrong, but I think this photo was actually like a liquid dropped into water, and that's what he fed into the network, and that's where you get like these really like nice kind of like organic shapes, because it is organic, and yeah. I absolutely love it so much. I could speak the rest of the hour just on this almost.
and some of these actually move, right? I think you had mentioned that some of these are animated. I don't know if there's a sample of like, you know, some of these in motion. I know on this website, I think I saw something of a ballerina or something kind of moving. I don't know if that's the same kind of experimentation or not, but you know.
Yes, I don't know if I have that readily available, but it's definitely something. If we just try here,
oh yeah, look at
might
that.
have it.
Huh, that is cool.
Oh yeah, so like he also used like So this is actually like 3D. This is actually carved out as well. So this is like something else where like these were actually physical, like 3D printed out from his workshop. In his actual like in his exhibition, you could see like one static pose of this, or like metal work as well, that was having this like amazing kind of abstract shapes that you see in here as well. And it's really, really fascinating.